Namaste children. Now we are going to see chapter 11. Light, shadow and reflection. First of all, we should know what is light. Light is a form of energy. It's very important. What is light mean? We cannot switch on and the exit. You have to know it's a form of energy. What is heat? Form of energy. Light, heat and all a form of energy. And it is responsible for sense of sight. I am seeing you, you are seeing me. This is because of the sense comes due to light. And we are able to see the things around us because of light. So light enables us to see every object around us. It may be tree, vehicles, house, people, whatever it may be. We are seeing means it's because of light. And at night we are unable to see because there is no light. It's a dark. So we are unable to see. Now there is a two word we are going to see with respect to light. One is luminescent. Luminous object. See, I am showing a tube light to you. This is luminous object because it emits light. I am showing another opaque. It is not emitting any light. Non-luminous. Luminous emitting light. Non-luminous do not emit light. In the video you can see we are given some luminous object like a sun, the ball and torch lights. These are. And non-luminous tree, your school bags, animals. When animals comes, we have to think of firefly. Sometime night you might have seen. At the back side a small light will be glowing. Firefly. That part alone luminous, not the whole animal. Now, let us see three words important. One is opaque. Means as I saw non-luminous, opaque, which do not allow the light to pass. Now you can't see my face. I was seeing. That means this object do not allow the light to pass at all. That is luminous, opaque. Then translucent. Already experiment we have done. The beginning chapter, a piece of paper to be taken. You can apply oil from your head. Then if you see through this, partially it allows the light. Then it is translucent. Another word, transparent. Now in my hand there is a specs. There is a glass. What the glass is doing? Allowing complete light, I can able to see. Complete light is allowing. This is transparent, that is translucent, and this is opaque. Do not allow light. Then shadows. For shadow formation, actually is a space where light from a light source is blocked by an opaque object. There should be an object. The object should be opaque. When the light falls, it do not reflect or absorb. Partly it leaves. That is why the shadow forms. You can observe on the wall and all. At home you can see with the hand. When the light falls, what is happening? You can see here on the wall. The shadow formation. At night no shadow will be formed because no light. On side the light should fall and partially what will happen? It is blocked. Because of that only the shadow forms. Then pinhole camera. What is required? you should take a small cartoon box, a chota box, and then with a pin, safety pin, make a small hole. If you make a big hole, difficult, well, you cannot get a very clear-cut image. A small hole, then passing the light through which, and there you keep an image, object. The object keep. What will happen? The object will be visible on the other side as image. The material what you keep is object. What you see inside? Image. The image will be inverted, ulta. So pinhole camera, easily you can make a chota carton box, safety bin, make a chota hole, allow the light to pass through the hole, and in between you have to keep a object. That object will be seen as image inverted, ulta. Then how the light travels? Light travels in a straight line, straight path. Suppose you are taking a tube and observing. The same thing we can use. You can observe the light through this. What happen? Light will be visible. Because straight line it will pass. If I keep a bend here, I want to observe the light. Cannot. Bend up. Cannot. Because light will not bend and travel. Light travels in a straight line. Then when we see a mirror, we are able to see our face. How it is? What is happening? The mirror reflect the light as such. First light falls on the object. Now from the object goes to mirror, we are seeing. That means inside the mirror there will be a chemical coat. It will not absorb the light, it reflects the lights. Overall light will be reflected. That is why we are able to see the image. A very small lesson having this on the topic. And first we saw light, luminescence, non-luminescence. Then three important words: opaque, translucent, transparent, and shadows. Then pinhole camera, light traveling path, at the last mirror and reflection. You will get video. Thank you.